The 25-26 FAFSA opens up December 1st. Are you ready? Hi everyone, I'm Tina Steele, the FAFSA Guru, and if you like what I have to say, be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. The time that we've all been waiting for is almost here. It's going to be time to fill out the 25-26 FAFSA. For any of you that will be attending school in the fall of 25 or the spring of 26, I encourage you to get this FAFSA filled out as soon as it opens. And if you're looking for some assistance in navigating this process, then you want to check out my 30-day Financial Aid Bootcamp. It launches December 1st and runs through the end of the month, December 31st. In my bootcamp, I will guide you step by step through the overwhelming and confusing financial aid process and help you maximize those financial aid offers. The bootcamp is for independent students, dependent students, graduate students, and any parent that might need some help going through this process. In the bootcamp, I will host a live weekly webinar with a Q&A session going over different topics every week related to the financial aid office. We'll talk about the different types of financial aid available, preparing for the FAFSA and CSS profile if you haven't filled that out already. We'll talk about appealing your financial aid offers, reporting special circumstances. What does it mean when you're selected for verification? And we'll even go over different loan options and things like that. There's going to be a lot of information jam-packed in this 30 days. In addition to these live weekly webinars, you will get membership in a private Facebook group where you can ask me unlimited questions throughout that 30 days related to the financial aid process, and I will be there to answer all of those questions for you. There's just a few weeks left to save your spot in my financial aid bootcamp. Simply go to my website, thefafsaguru.com, and up at the top of the page, click on 30-day Financial Aid Bootcamp to learn more. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you there.